Now, all must sit properly. Take your seat, and all the cameras went at once. Only Jemima, turn on your camera. Still, I don't know. Yeah, now it's coming one by one. Okay, now we'll start a class because only you have to listen, nothing to write. When you have to write certain things, I will tell not the first one. What I'm going to say, good morning to everybody. All of you must listen carefully. Yes. Let's see what we can do today. Good morning. See, the sun is having a smiley face over there. Okay. It can be sun and it can have nice. I think I'll have to change that good morning, but master wants one more master is there for you. Okay. He wants every day good morning like this. Now, see, don't worry about anything. You are not going to write anything. Pick the correct word. This how to use the verbs with the plural noun, singular noun. Tick the correct word.
Ma'am, page number.
No, listen. This who's that now? Is it Joan Sri? Who was the child who asked me that? Is it was it who asked me? Just tell. Was it Ange, Juansri or Sanjay Krishna? Who asked me what is the page number? Now listen to me 1 minute, children. Turn off your mic. I'm asking you to just look at the screen. No page number. I will wait. You have to take your home study note by your side. Okay. Now before that, I just want to tell you, children, today's special class children, 11 to 20 from 2A, 11 to 20 from 2B, and 2A, Samantha, Shashwata, Shamma, Shaina, Tanvi, Arush, Ahil, Alan, Akhilan, plus these children, if they want to join, because we are going to do a new one today, Jane, Rahil, Lokesh, and I asked many times, one more child wanted to join. I don't know who's that child. It's from the other class. I think so. It's Sharon Pranav. Not sure. If you're sure, please inform me. I will send the link. And big class, it's Rida, Riha, Sanvi, Sona, Tangaratnam, Virti, Alvin, Ansh, Dhruv, Harish. Children, try to attend the classes, children, so that we will complete internal marks. Okay, now let us see what we are going to do. Don't open any of your classwork, not for the first session. What I'm going to do, you tick the correct word. How to speak, how to write. What should you use with plural noun and singular noun? You have to be very, very careful, because when we ask you to write any test, one small mistake, you will lose 1 mark. Okay. So you have to be very, very careful. Now see here, this is not in your book. This is a worksheet from some other grammar book. So don't ask me in between page number. You just observe. Pick the correct word to complete each sentence. First, I will tell you. Now, the first one, owls. Now, I will ask you certain questions. Now, I'm going to start from first. Okay. Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Adonia?
Hello.
Yes? Now, Effie.
Hello.
After that, I'll come back to Akshara. Effie, in order and calling. Effie, can you read the first sentence with the correct verb?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just try.
No.
Owls during the day.
Once again, owls.
Okay.
Owls sleep during the day.
Effie, you have read it correctly. Now, I want other children to listen. She did not use sleeps. With the plural noun here, you just check it is one or more. If it's more, you must not use S over here. Okay, with plural noun, you have to use sleep. If it was owl, singular, you should have used sleeps. So keep that in your mind. Okay, very good, Effie. Now I'm going to ask Akshara, can you read the correct sentence with the answer over here. I will help you. Please start.
A lion, hut,
Lion. 1 minute. Not in a hurry.
other animals.
Now listen, 1 minute, Akshara. When you read Akshara, tell me whether you are Akshara or Adonia, because I called Adonia first. Akshara. So only Akshara is going to read. A lioness. Please read after me. A lioness. That is 1 minute. Male voice is lion and female lioness. With that lion, you are adding ESS, female. Okay. Masculine and feminine. Okay, children. A lioness. What will you use for singular form? Akshara. Akshara, please be clear. Tell me the spelling of the word. Spelling of the word. A lioness. H. No. Only one lioness. A lioness, singular. You have to use hunts. Yes. You have, with the plural, you must not write yes. With the singular noun, you have to write S. Okay. Now, other animals and a lion. That also singular. What will you use, Akshara, over there? Watch or watches? What? Watches. Over the cups. Small ones. Okay, Akshara, turn off your mic. Next child is Fatima. Fatima, hurry up, Fatima. Fatima, somebody is trying to join. I cannot join them because they have to see to their own ID, child's ID. Okay, student's ID. Now, come on now, because every time I'm joining them, they will continue this. I. Yes, Fatima, read.
I
Like. See, children, with I, you have to always use, what do you use for plural? I like, I go, I eat. I only one person, but you must not use. Yes, I like.
I like
To watch.
the summer set and the sunset.
Okay, very good. Now, 1 minute, I just want to tell you, Fatima, you have to attend the class daily. Otherwise, like even the special classes, whenever the link is sent, because you will be missing that 60 marks of your internals. Okay, assignment somehow you will do, but please try to attend. Everybody. Now, next one is for Joshika Mary. Joshika.
I'm Joshika.
Please read Joshika, fourth one.
She played the guitar very well.
No, she, only one person. Use the correct verb over there.
She played the guitar very well.
Is it, I just want to know, you're telling play or place?
Play.
No, I told you with the singular form, noun, you have to use S, plays. Okay, the guitar very well. If here you have yes, here you must not use. Okay, we'll do more and you'll have to tell me. Now, Kanira. Yes, Kanira. Read the next one. They, plural.
They
Yeah.
go to the beach every weekend.
Very good. They go to the beach. If it was she or he or any name, goes. You must not use es because they, plural. Very good. Now listen carefully and do it. Kyalina.
Yes, ma'am.
Why so late, Kyalina? At once you have to come. Read the sixth one with the answer.
She also helps
Very
him.
bad, very bad. Stop. She also. What is it there? Please read properly. She.
She always
Yes,
helps.
1 minute. Kayalina, please stop. Don't read like a bus over here. She always. You have to.
She always
Now tell me the correct word. What word?
helps.
Okay.
She always
Helps.
helps. Very good. Now continue. Her friends. Her
She,
friends.
her friends and class.
You must not sing song. Okay. She always helps her friends in class. Good. See, you tell your parents, children, when you are in class, don't make small children over there to stand behind you or play with you. Okay. Okay, good. Next one, Mishti. Mishti, come on, please. Mishti, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one with the answer, with the correct verb.
We eat.
No, 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 no. I want the spelling of the verb. Eat or eats. Correct spelling, you tell me?
Eats, ma'am.
No, Mishti. I'm explaining the same thing. We, more than one person. All of us, we. We, now tell me the correct verb.
Eat, ma'am. Eat.
To eat with the plural. Children, keep in your mind, otherwise we make mistake. We eat. Now read, complete sentence. Read.
D-I-N-E-R.
No, no, dinner. Dinner. Night.
At 7 in the evening.
Listen, dinner at 7 in the evening. You must read properly. Turn off your mic. To everybody, this instruction. When you finish answering, please turn off. Now, next person is Mitra. Read the next one. Very good, children. Next one. Eighth one.
She said that you paint every evening.
Yes, very good. You paint. See, children, I, you, and all the plural words, you must not, you should not add yes. Okay, plural verb, paint. You paint, I paint, we paint, they paint. Okay, every evening. Good. Now we'll go to 2B, 1 to 10. Okay. Abisha, please come. Abisha.
Okay, ma'am.
Abisha, come on. Next one. Ninth one you read. Madhav. It's the name of a boy. Madhav, only one person. Madhav.
Right?
Madhav. With singular.
Madhav writes well.
Very good. With singular form, you have to use yes. Madhav writes well. Very good. Now, Akshaya E. Akshaya E. Akshaya E. Hurry up. See? Not there. Akshita. Akshita MP. Akshita. What happened? Yesterday also she was not there. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Aratrika. Please read the last one with the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Birds flies in the sky.
Very good. Birds fly, plural. Birds fly in the sky. Very good.
Birds fly in the sky.
Now, let me see how you all are behaving in between. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good, children. Abisha, turn off your mic. Children, we completed all this now. Now, what you learned from this is with plural noun, you must not add S. Singular noun, you have to add S. Now, next one, we are going to the next page. You just see what you are going to do. And children all must, Kanira, where are you? Okay, Kanira, I don't know where she went. Yes, you ran away, Kanira. Good girl. Must come back. See that. Okay, now let us see what we are going to do next. No disturbance in between. Aratrika, bye. You can turn off your mic. Now, first one is over. I will make some children read two sentences. Okay. Now, I want Akshada's not there. Evelyn, read the first two sentences with the ticked answer. Evelyn, Sarah. What happened? Evelyn is not coming. Throughout, she's absent. Okay. Getsia, read the first two sentences.
I'm Evelyn, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Getsia, wait, Getsia. Evelyn, read with the correct ticked answer. First sentence. Come on.
Oh, owls sleep
Yeah.
during
During.
the day.
Okay. Now, second one.
A
Lioness.
lion,
Lioness
lioness
hunts other animals.
and a
Lion
lion
watches over the cubs.
over the hush.
Yes, yeah, all must go back to the recording and read all this. Good. Next one, Getsia, read 3 and 4. Getsia.
Okay, ma'am. I like to watch the sunrise and sunset.
Good.
She plays the guitar very well.
Very good. Stop. Very good. Next child is Israelina. Israelina, please read 5 and 6.
They go to the beach every weekend.
1 minute. They go to the beach every weekend. Now read 6th one.
She
Always
always
help.
help her friends and
No. In class. Helps. Yes, should be
help-
got. Helps her friends.
helps
Her friends
her friends
in class.
in class.
Very good. Now, Jamima, read 7 and 8 first. Jamima. Where are you, Jamima?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please read 7 and 8. We eat.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I please read, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is Ansh, ma'am. Can I please?
1 minute. Let me see. 1 minute. Who's that, ma? Who asked? 1 minute, Jamima. Who
Ma'am,
asked?
please can I
Read.
answer, ma'am?
Who's that?
Ansh, ma'am.
Ansh, will you please turn off your mic, Ansh? Throughout is disturbing me. Parents, please see to it. No, Jamima, you read, Jamima.
we eat dinner at
Yeah.
7 in the evening.
Very good.
He said that you paint every evening.
Right. 1 minute. She said that what a disturbance from that boy, I don't know. She said that you paint every evening. Okay, next is Juansri. And whenever I'm calling and she's not answering. Whenever I'm asking for the children, he is coming. Juansri, please read 9 and 10. No, I haven't told. Okay.
Well,
1 minute. 1 minute, Juansri. Wait. Now you read 9th one. Madhav.
Mother writes well.
Very good.
Birds fly in the sky.
Very good, Juansri. No, children, you must not make, other children like this. Very good. I don't know, only Ansh is doing like this. Now I have to inform in the office. I told his sister also the same thing. Morning I asked question, he did not answer. Okay, children, we'll go to the next one. Just have a look. Let me see. Yes, all must pay attention. We'll go to the next one. You don't write anything. I'm just going to ask you now to be 1 to 10. So Pratika is there. Pratika, are we? Pratika, are you there, Pratika? And just wait, okay? Now complete, don't write anything. Complete the sentences with the ly forms of the words in brackets. Okay. Now children, those who are there, if you know the ly forms, you can just write the answers in your home study. Don't ask any questions. Only the answers for the words written in the bracket. I will tell you what you have to write. You have to write in your home study. Writing today's date. That's all. No more questions. Those who don't want to write, no need to write. Then after I ask the children, and if they answer, we will check the answers. It's for you to learn better. Now, first one, Juhi spoke with her new neighbor. Now, I just want 1 to 11. Rida, tell me the correct ly word for nice. Juhi spoke with her new neighbor. Dash. Tell me the spelling. What should I write?
N-I-C-L-Y.
See?
C-L-Y, ma'am.
No. See here, it is N-I-C-E-L-Y. So what you have to do is, you write only the word nicely. Turn off your mic, Rida. Please write only the word in your home study nicely. So you're learning the spelling of nicely. Okay. Now, second one for, okay, Rida, you did not tell the word correctly. So please tell the second one. Read. Rida, Saurav. Hurry up.
Saurav went out of
The
the room quietly.
Spelling.
Q-U-I-E-E-T-L-Y, quietly.
Now see this. That is the mistake. What word is there? You just add ly. Why did you tell Q-U-I-E-T-E-L-Y? No E-L-Y. Okay. With the same word, you add ly. Certain words, you have to, 1 minute, listen. Certain words, we have to remove E, but we don't add. See, when I speak to you, a lot of disturbance. Now turn off your mic. Okay. Quietly. Those who are there, please see that. Don't disturb the class. The child will answer and turn off the mic. Okay. Now, third one is for Sanvi. Riha, where are you, Riha? Not there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Riha, are you there? Let me see. Riha, where is she? Sanvi, wait. Riha's not there. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. I thought it's Riha. Okay, Sanvi, read the third one with the correct answer.
I stood up proudly when my name was called.
Very good. Now tell me the spelling of proudly.
P-R-O-U-D-L-Y, proudly.
Very good. And children, okay, turn off your mic. Please write nicely, quietly, proudly, without any spelling mistake in your home study. This is for you to learn. Now, fourth one is for Sona. Sona.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the fourth one with the correct answer. There is a change in angry. You have to see what is it. Okay. If you don't know, you must ask ma'am. Now read. The woman.
The woman spoke very angrily to us.
Spell the word angrily.
A-N-G-R-Y-L-Y.
No. Remove Y, Sona. Remove Y. Okay, let me see whether I'm right. See, you have to remove that Y. Okay. When a word ends with Y, remove that and put I-L-Y. Okay, Sona, I will ask you the next one because this is quite confusing. Angrily. When you write angrily, please write Angrily. Sona can read the next one.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
man. Okay, the man.
The man standing.
No. Suddenly, at once. Spell the
Suddenly.
word.
Suddenly.
See that? SUDD.
SUDD.
Read. EN. Somebody is disturbing Sona. Tell us
ENLY.
EN. With the, say, okay, turn off your mic. With the same word, you have to. Somebody is screaming. LY. Suddenly. Began crying. Next one. Yes. Tangaratnam, your mic is not clear. But anyway, Sona, turn off your mic, Sona. Some child is making noise. Okay, Tangaratnam, read. You should live. Tangaratnam. You cannot. Who's that, ma? Tangaratnam. Sanjay, turn off your mic, please. I don't know. One child is screaming. I don't know from who's. Ansh, boy. Ansh, next question is for you. Okay. Ansh, answer this question, Ansh. Why are you going on disturbing me, Ansh? Don't do it, Ansh. Don't give ma'am trouble. Okay. Now, read the next one, Ansh. Tangaratnam is not there. Ansh, read sixth one with the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. You should lift the baby.
Correct word.
Greatly.
Add ly. Gently. Tell me the spelling, Ansh.
Greatly.
Tell me the spelling, Ansh.
GRATLY.
Ly. Just see whether this is okay. Is it right, Ansh? Is it correct? When I ask question, you answer.
Gently. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should. Right. Now listen. And when I speak, you must. No. Now listen, next one. Seventh one. They were tired. So they walked. This is for 1 minute, children. I'm using Alvin.
All of that work that we have done, which is
Alvin.
for the launch. Once it was launched, it's still
Ma'am, I am Alvin.
Please read seventh one.
a lot of big size.
Okay, ma'am.
So then they
Slowly.
Tired. So
Tired.
they walked. Listen. Walk. Children, 1 minute. Children, 1 minute. You have to pay attention 30 minutes in my class. And you know how to read slow. Add always slowly. That I will give you enough time. But you cannot waste time like this. Okay. Now next one. Paras folded his clothes. The name of a person. What is the spelling? Well, now tell me the correct word, Dhruv. Dhruv, tell me the correct word.
Ma'am,
Paras folded his clothes.
Paras folded his clothes
Correct word.
neatly.
Spelling.
NEATLY.
Very good. Now next one is for Harish. Harish, come on. Harish, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Our team won the game. Read. Our team.
Our team won the game.
Not won to the game. Won the game.
Won the game
Easily. I told you when Y comes, what will you do? Remove that and put ILY. See here? ILY. Okay, Harish?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have to remove. So these words you have to write. Now, Veerti.
yes, ma'am.
Please read the last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Please walk.
Please walk. Please
Care-
walk carefully
Spelling. The floor is wet. Tell the spelling of carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
K-A-R
C-A-R.
C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y.
Very good. Now, children, don't make ma'am get angry because you are coming in between and disturbing the class. Only one child is doing now. All others are okay. Now they have come to the thing level and they know like they should not disturb the class. Now, Ansh, you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, I'll have to inform. You must not come in between and disturb. You all are getting a chance. Now, in order, I'm calling and all the children are answering. If they don't know, I'm just telling them the answer and they are learning it and they're doing the next one. So please cooperate with all the teachers, not only with me, everybody. Okay, children. Now listen. Now, 1 minute. Those who haven't written, don't worry about it. You can do it later. You can leave the class and the special class children will get the link by 11:20. Never mind about this. Ma'am will teach you many other words adding ly. Okay, no need to write this alone. But when you write the words ending with y,